Okay, today is September 4th, 2018. Long weekend is over. Back to work. Full tank of fuel, 32.4 miles per gallon. That's coming from the petrol station. I haven't driven this car in 3 days, and when I know I'm not driving my car for a couple of days, I like to marinate the interior. Here's today's tip. How to make your car smell good. I like Meguiar's. I also like this stuff, Auto Drive. It's like $1.88 at Walmart. It's not like Armor All. I'm one of those people who believes that Armor All will dry out your plastics over time. And then it makes it really shiny. The plastic's really shiny, and then it reflects back into your windshield, and it's hard to see. I don't like the smell of Armor All either, so I don't use it. But I like this stuff. It just cleans your interior. It smells good. And I like to do this. When I wipe my interior down, I leave the used wipes in the cup holders and the door pockets, and I just let it sit there for a few days. When I go back in the car, a couple of days later, it smells good in here. It smells clean, not like a fruity, artificial clean, like one of those scented cans you put in the cup holder. It's just a nice, clean smell. So, and then when I first bought this car, I did a video cleaning it. I have the footage. I think I do. If I find the footage, I'll go ahead and play it after I play, or after you see this video, you might see footage of me when I first got this car and cleaned it. I always do that. I went straight to the store to get cleaning supplies when I first bought this car on July 22nd, 2018. I'll remember that date forever. All right, cold start. It's a good sound. All right. And then I don't like to take off until this is no longer blue. When this is no longer blue, that's when I like to drive off. Car OCD. Car guy OCD. When you get a brand new pre-owned car, you get cleaning products to clean up the interior. See how dirty it is. Okay, I'm done cleaning up here. Looks good. Am I the only one that finds this super therapeutic? It wasn't that bad. I mean, I don't even think you could tell through the camera. There's some dirt. That looks pretty dirty right there. But it wasn't too bad. But yeah, there we go. Clean car. I'll probably go over it one more time. But for now, yeah, that looks pretty dirty actually. For now, I think it's satisfactory. 9 out of 10 in cleanliness. I'll go through the vents with another wipe. But yeah, I'm happy with it now. And then I gotta clean the floor mats. Like, I'll take them out, spray them out, vacuum the carpet. But right now it looks like a 9 out of 10 in cleanliness.